Okay, please turn to page 402, exercise 8.14. Now we are going to just do one example that deal with the wire. So now this case, guys, the wire given to us actually in the circular loop structure because the wire now is bent into circular loop. So let's say this is your structure of wire we have in circular loop, right? Then it has let's say a certain radius of A, right? So guys, assuming this is our wire that bend into circular loop, so this wire actually it has a, if you see from diagram, this thickness about 2A, and then it has this radius of rho naught or r naught. Okay guys, so now we are going to calculate the self inductance of this structure. So we are given the value of rho naught equal 10 cm and the value of radius 2A, which equal to 1 cm. Okay guys, so now is our task to find or to calculate the self inductance for this particular wire. So again guys, this actually will deal with a same case of a wire, but just they are now bent into circular loop. So basically we can use the same formula that we derived last time together, whereby we can find the L internal or self inductance due to wire is equal to the mu L over 8 pi. Okay guys, so that's the idea how we can solve these problems. So we can use, guys, this formula because this is also a wire, but that's now already bent into loop, right? So now we can use again this formula to calculate the self inductance, and now we have to just find the L, right? Guys, this is actually the length of the wire. So since now the wire is bent into this circular loop, so we have to ensure that we use the right length value. So from here we can find the effective length actually come from the length of circumference, where we can see from here that is our circumference line of this circular loop. Okay guys, so we have to use this length of circumference which with radius of rho naught. So that's our task. So from here we can just use this formula, just change this L to 2 pi r, whereby the r is equal to the rho naught given as 10 cm. Okay, so just substitute all the values. So the L internal or self inductance, so just mu naught in the case of free space. Now here we have 2 pi 10 power of minus 2 because centimeter, and over 8 pi. So guys, if you proceed to the end, you're gonna have the L internal value, which will equal to 31.42 nano Henry. Okay, so that's the idea. So hope you can try yourself, and all the best for your study. Thank you.